5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have parentheses present, and parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 5 minus 3 times 3. Now we have multiplication and subtraction operators present in this expression, and according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority. So let's solve this multiplication first. 3 times 3, that gives us 9, and 5 minus 9, that gives us minus 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.